谭德赛对台湾做不实的指控，嘛引发到这位台湾留学生的不满，伊叫做林威，住伫个宜兰的罗东，即摆去伫个英国咧读册。伊伫个社群的媒体来传一段中英文的公开批，用真侪事证来证明谭德赛对台湾的指控是离经个错误。伊要求谭德赛爱公开来道歉。结果，这个影片一夜之间就冲破到100万的点阅率。
Dear Dr. Tedros, I am Vivi Lin.
台湾留学生林伟真清楚点出 WHO 秘书长谭德赛错误。
I was utterly shocked and saddened that such misleading allegation could come from a supposedly respected health professional and the head of the world's most influential international health organization.
对世卫排斥台湾，到台湾对非洲的帮助，以及对其他疫情国家的帮助，拢证明台湾无攻击谭德赛，嘛以世卫中心思想，指出谭德赛散布假事实、无实的行为。
With all the aforementioned in mind, how can you, in a few sentences, attempt to smear Taiwan's reputation with such false and irresponsible accusations? Ironically, just right after the webinar, Dr. Tedros, the Director General of the WHO, was accusing Taiwan with misinformation.
要求谭德赛向台湾道歉，这段影片短短时间就冲破100万的点阅率，对着这名台湾查囡仔勇气，大家拢拍无法发赞。
I, on behalf of my beloved country and people, am now asking for an apology from you under the current circumstance.